40 Aprons is a recipe website that aims to really meet people where they are in trying to eat healthy. So we don't advocate for super restrictive eating, but really focus on enjoying food, good ingredients, and the rest sort of falls into place.
With all the diets out there, it's easy to get overwhelmed. For many looking to achieve their health goals, the best diet is one they'll actually stick to, even if that means some late-night pizza rolls now and again. This approach has made 40 Aprons stand out from the pack, so much so that it went from Cheryl's side project to a full-time gig. It all started merging a lifelong passion for healthy eating and writing. Cheryl learned to love cooking as a college student on a budget, and while writing was her passion, at the time, she had second thoughts pursuing it as a career.
There was this refrain, there's no jobs doing that. So I decided to go to law school instead. And I knew that I had to have some sort of creative outlet when I went to law school because I knew it was going to be dry and demanding.
So Cheryl started a recipe website.
It was awful. It was the early days of blogging, right?
She eventually realized law school wasn't for her. Through numerous careers, the recipe site remained a constant in Cheryl's life, satiating that passion for writing and food. Eventually, her consistency paid off.
It took over as my full-time thing, and now we have a team and a real brand.
Today, 40 Aprons is a cooking powerhouse with recipes for different diets, cooking methods, and more. In short, the site's main income is from ads. As the site grew in popularity, so did its number of committed followers. And based on feedback, some didn't like having to scroll through the ads. Cheryl saw this as an opportunity.
I decided, if we can take a small portion of our returning users and convert them to a monthly membership, we could actually overtake their revenue from display ads. And we decided to give it a shot.
Now, selling memberships diversifies the site's income and has created a community that enjoys exclusive content. With the 40 Aprons Premium membership, members get a completely ad-free experience, exclusive ebooks, monthly meal plans, members-only recipes, and much more.
The subscribers love it. And they stick around.
But in the early days, creating food content didn't always come easy.
I had to teach myself food photography. Back when I was teaching it to myself, there was one book and me struggling, in my dining room, just trying to make it look nice. And it's just been teaching myself everything as we go.
Cheryl's been on WordPress since day one, so she just needed a reliable plugin to sell memberships and paywall-exclusive recipes.
I had a business partner who had been a developer at WordPress, and MemberPress was what he recommended hands down.
Turns out, MemberPress was the perfect fit.
What we really love about MemberPress is the different types of content that we can offer.
One piece of content is the Sustainable Clean Eating course, created with MemberPress courses.
The fact that it was there out of the box, that just adds so much value. If we were to have it custom coded, it would have been so much more expensive.
Aside from the creative, 40 Aprons relies on site analytics to guide content they put out.
Being content creators, I'm in there with the reports all the time. We have the analytical side that is fueling the content creation. And MemberPress has been super supportive of the subscribers. And so that's made our job super easy.
And positive feedback is always motivation to keep going.
We have people telling us that we changed their lives. That's the best part.
Visit 40aprons.com to learn more and level up your healthy eating lifestyle. Also, want to start your own niche monetized site on WordPress? Maybe you're a master of melodies or a professional in your field and want to do your own thing. With MemberPress, easily sell online courses, videos, ebooks, one-on-one calls, and much more. Monetize your passion today at MemberPress.com.
If you liked the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos that makes getting MemberPress up and running a breeze.